Hangouts can also be directly accessed through Gmail. And in order to access through Gmail, you can go on to your Gmail inbox right here. So I'm just going to type in gmail.com. And what happens is that on the left side, you can see a section called Hangouts. So you can change your status right here. You don't actually need to go to hangouts.google.com, but do all of your conversations from here as well. So over here, you can see all of the conversations right here. You can click on it and then change the settings. So you can change when you're last active. All the settings that you see in Google Hangouts are over here. Archiving, and you can also sign out of Hangouts. You can press the plus button to choose the person who you want to have a conversation with and even have group conversation. Once you click on it, what happens is that you have a chat box right here, and then you can go around and pop this out as a separate chat window as well. The layout is just a bit different, as you can see right here. You can pop that back inside as well. And you can see the active status, and you can start a video call. You can add in more people and create a group chat, and then go around with the settings as well. Press OK. You can attach photo and then attach in smiley as well, as you can see. And that is how you can access Google Hangouts directly from Gmail as well. So it is integrated with Google, and everyone has access to it from gmail.com as well, apart from hangouts.google.com. And that's how you access Hangouts from Gmail directly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.